So the next exercise is for the upper back and shoulders using a myofascial release ball. So what we'll do is we'll lay on our back with our knees bent and toes flat on the ground. What we'll do is we'll use the myofascial release ball and put it underneath your right shoulder to start with. Great, right there in your upper body. Good. Next, you're going to simply roll around until you find a tender spot. Once you find the tender spot, relax into it and hold for about 30 to 60 seconds. Good. After the 30 to 60 seconds is done, you can simply switch sides to the other side of your body. Perfect, right underneath the shoulder, and you're simply going to roll around until you find the tender spot. Good, and then once you find it, just relax into it and hold for 30 to 60 seconds. So first, we'll start with the piriformis foam rolling exercise. What we'll do is we'll keep the bottom leg straight and her left knee bent, and we're gonna have the foam roller right on the outside portion of the glutes, which is the piriformis muscle. What we'll do with both hands on the ground is we'll simply roll up and down slowly for 4 to 10 seconds. And this is gonna help target the IT band, the piriformis muscle, as well as the glutes.